Hey guys, I'm sure you can see how excited I am for this video. Like, bro, I'm so excited. Anyway, yes guys, this is my empty apartment tour. This is actually a loft. Guys, I need to do a story time on how I was able to secure this place, because I'm going to be trying. Jesus. Anyway, yes y'all. Yes y'all, it's time to celebrate. It's time to pop champagne. It's time to go out and have fun, because you know why? Your favorite girl finally finally got a place in Toronto. Guys, the struggle, it wasn't a joke, but I'm just so happy I got this place. It was like a miracle. It wasn't even the place I was struggling for, but it was the place that God knew would just suit a YouTuber like me. You understand? Oh yeah, let's get to this house tour, guys. Anyway, before we jump right in, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you can have notifications every time I post a video. Trust me, juicy videos are coming, so you better subscribe, guys. Anyway, I'm also going to Caribana. That's why, you know, this girl is looking so hot in this tutor dress. You know, this tutor dress can only be cancelled after today, because this is the time I'm wearing it. So this is when you can cancel it. Before now, nah, because you know what, the HBRC ain't winning yet. Let's go and do this tour. I wish I had someone that would record for me while I'm doing all these things, so that I can go outside and do the knock thing everybody does, but unfortunately. Okay, so walking in, I have like the yard, my garden yard, whatever, back there. So yes, my yard is very fruitful. Praise be, blessed be the fruit, may the Lord open, amen. I have some raspberries, I have blackberries, grapes, you name it. I get to do this in my house. That's just epic, guys. But you know, my yard is not yet, you know, as clean as I want it to be yet, but I'm working on it. I've already started, and yeah. And then on the flip side is this glass patio type thing. So I'm just giving you guys an overview of what the exterior of the house looks like. This patio is like my favorite part of the house. I get to say that a lot in this video, so you guys better brace yourselves. I still have my stuff outside because I wanted to record this video and all. But anyway, as I walk in, we have this kitchen. Again, this is my favorite part of the house. Again, like, I love this kitchen so much. Maybe, I don't know, because it's outdoor. It's just nice, the hardwood floors. I'm just giving you guys an overview of, you know, what you see when you walk in. I have an AC unit right there stationed for heat. I don't really use it that much, but I use it sometimes when I'm cooking. I have my fan fixtures and the light fixtures, which I love so much because it has this vintage feel to it. The house came with this rattan curtains, which I absolutely love. I don't want to say I love it so much because I keep saying that, but yeah, I love it so much. And on the flip side, we have my fridge, which is empty right now, but you know, we have water on deck. Your smart water is needed, because water is what? Water is life. Oh my god, I have a cold, guys, I'm so sorry. But yeah, my freezer units are down there, and then the fridge itself is up there, and we also have a lot of storage in this kitchen. It's kind of empty right now because I just moved in. It's not empty anymore. My mom just came to visit me, so you get the point, right? Yeah, so I have this granite top sink. I really like the color of that. I also have some storage spaces down below. Also, there's nothing in there, so I didn't see the need to show you guys what it looked like inside just yet. Maybe when I'm doing like my updated house. Oh my god, guys, sorry for that. I don't know who that was, but yeah, moving on. We have my oven and my cooker. I use that a whole lot. I also have some heater units down in the kitchen, so you know, if this kitchen needs to be hot, is there. If it needs to be cold, we are there. We are ready. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my key. Like, I got the keys. I got the key. I got the key. Yes. But yeah, I really like that wooden table. It's from IKEA. I love it because it rolls around so you can easily move it. Now this is just a 360 view of what the kitchen looks like. So enjoy. So through my kitchen, you can see my neighbor's yard, which is what my yard aspires to be. Look at your mates, yard. Look at your mates. Look at your mates. And then just, you know, just take a look at you. Well, time will tell, innit? This kitchen just kind of feels like a farmhouse. Like, I just like the whole vibe, the whole everything, because you know, we have huge windows, huge sliding door, I mean, and then there's so much light, and I love the idea of an outdoor kitchen, and I love to cook. So actually, I don't love to cook, I just know how to cook. Do I love to cook? Okay, I don't like the stress of cooking, but I love to cook. So I'm very, very happy with the kitchen. It has everything I need except a microwave, which I have to buy. So let's move on to the living room. So now there's another sliding door here, and then we have the living area. Let's go.
Who's that?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it?
It's me.
Guys, MTV is here. Let's go. Let's go see who is at this door. Answer me. Oh shit, it's me. Hi girl. Come in. Hello. I want to see your home. Okay. When you enter the living room, this is what you see. This is a glass door directly opposite. Mirror, mirror, who's the first? And then we have a window right there, and just empty space. So yeah, as soon as you walk in through the sliding door, you see my windows. I have 3 huge windows, which I really, really love because sunlight is very, very important to me, honey. Very important. So after that, you can see that sliding door directly opposite the sliding door we walked through, and that is my wardrobe, my downstairs wardrobe, and it's really nice. It's really big. I can sleep in there. 2 people can sleep in there. It's just behind the staircase in the house, and you can see I already have some things hung up. It's still empty, still, you know, trying to be filled, but you know, right now it's looking good, it's looking cute, and I'll show you guys in my updated house tour. But for now, just enjoy the empty ride. Enjoy. Now my favorite part of this living room so far is this big disco ball chandelier. I had to give it a montage on its own. I love it. Now I just wanted to show you guys the living room space from the previous owners. This was how they decorated it. Not really a fan, but yeah, just so you guys see what it looks like with furniture inside. So yes guys, this is the living area. It's still echoing because I haven't gotten any furniture. I had to keep everything on hold because I was like, no, I want to do an empty apartment tour. Yes, I must do it. So yeah, I had to keep everything on hold, but I love the space in this place, and the windows are just amazing. Like, How much more natural light could I need? I swear this whole thing is just crazy to me. At the price point, if I told you guys the price point, it's just good. It's just good. Just understand. But anyway. Yeah, so now from the living room, we have this door that leads to another section in Uwani's Narnia. So open sesame. Hello. Hello. What's in there? Oh, we have a stairwell, guys. A staircase. So yeah, this staircase is just a regular staircase, hardwood floors. I have the rug on it that came with the house. It's pink. I thought of taking it out, but I kind of like it because it's soft and everything. We have this window right up there. We have 2 light fixtures on the stairwell so I can see where I'm going at night, because I'm alone in this place, guys. It can get so lonely up here, ain't gonna lie. But this window is so nice. It looks like a painting, literally. Like the view is nice. It's not my high-rise view. But anyway, we have this door opposite this window, another Narnia door. Hello. Hello. What's in there? Yeah, so walking in, we have the master bedroom and we have this sliding door opposite.
Mirror, mirror, who's the baddest?
Yeah, so this mirror is just a sliding door, is a mirror sliding door, and inside that we have my wardrobe. This is the second wardrobe. I really love this house because it has so much storage, because me, I have a lot of stuff, so I need storage to keep everything in there. And in there we have another mirror. That mirror came in the house. I don't know what to do with it. It's just so small, like bro, who you trying to help? Anyway, I just have some stuff there. My snack box, Haribo is special, and that's it. And that's literally it for this room. I just wanted to show you guys what it was decorated as before, just so you guys can see with some furniture in there. Again, not a fan, but yeah, here we have it. I'm already working on mine. As you can see, your girl is working. Hail me now, hail me. Damn. So yeah, this is the master bedroom. Again, it has so many windows. I'm just so happy about that. So my smile is it's insane. And then we have the toilet, the where the shit goes down, where shit happens. shit be happening. Shit be happening. Ooh. I'm bad to do. Like, come on. Brown skin girl, skin just like pearl, best skin in the world. Amen. Amen. I receive it. But anyway, guys, let's continue this. So walking into my bathroom, immediately you can see the mirror on the wall. We have storage down there, the pit, the bucket, I don't know what it's called, and then we have a window opposite the door. This window is also very nice. It looks like a painting, although I don't get the part of having a window in your bathroom. It just doesn't make sense to me. But this is my shower head. I love it so much. The pressure, I can spend like 10 hours in my bathroom and be good. I'm so good in there. Down here we have the tub. This tub also doubles as a jacuzzi, so you know, I'm chilling when, like, I can't wait for my self-care Saturdays because they are lit, you know. Yeah, I like the wooden seat that came with as well. I also have some storage spaces down here, and there's nothing in there, so there was no need to show you guys. Up there we have 3 mirrors with some storage spaces right behind. I also have this makeup mirror which magnifies your makeup. I love that. That's about it for this house tour, and I need your help. Okay, I need your help. Here's what I need you guys to help me with. Guys, I need your help with decor inspo. I already have some of mine, but I would really love to see what you guys think would fit in this space, and you know, what would make this space pop for me, because I'm all about my space, my environment, because I'm always at home. Like, I don't go out. Okay, I'm going out today, but But yeah, like I'm always at home, so I need to make this place like comfortable. As anyway, I'm on my way to Caribana. I'm late. I'm so late, but it is what it is. I'll still meet them there. And I wasn't really like too enthusiastic about it, but let's go and see. Okay, let's just see what all the crazy hype is about. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tour. I want to do a story time on how I finally secured this place, and you know, everything I went through with having no credit score and you know, being a student and international, all of that, but still being able to secure like a rental. I'm going to tell you guys all about it in that story time, so make sure you look out for that because the tea is juicy. It's kind of that tea juicy. It's juicy, it's juicy, it's juicy. So yeah, like I was saying, that's it for this video. My camera died. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell like button down below so you can have notifications every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Guys, give me your opinions. Like this is the time where I require your opinions, okay? So give me your opinions on what you think and how you think it's gonna go, so we can get it all flowing and glowing. Damn shit.
Whenever your heart is broken